Okay. Hi guys. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm a little late. Actually, the studio, some other teacher was taking the studio. That's why I'm late. Not my fault. I was here, right on time. Promise. What's up, guys? How are you all? Very good evening and a warm welcome to Vedantu J English channel. This is me, your master teacher, Nabamita Ma'am. And yes, I know many of you kept asking me, kept requesting me that, ma'am, we want EAMCET sessions, we want EAMCET sessions. And that's why today I am here with the top 10 most important questions for EAMCET. I mean, these kind of questions might definitely come in your exams. So, are you all here with me? Yes? Hi Karthik, hi Srinu, hi Shiva Parvati, hello, user phone, that's an interesting name, very nice. Are you taking any batch? No, bacha. I only take sessions on YouTube. No batches, okay? Yeah, so how are you all? Quickly go call up your friends as well. Let's start with the session. What do you all say? Let's start with the session, guys. Come on. Quickly go and call up your friends. Hi, GDN. Okay, start prep for... Yes, we will do that also. We will do it for VIT also, but one step at a time, Baba. I am not... you don't see 10 heads of me or 10 hands, right? Yeah, so I'm neither Durga Mata, I am not Ravan. I cannot do all the things at one point, right? So maybe tomorrow or day after we will start with VIT. Right now, let's do EAMCET. Does that work? Does that work? Anish, I like it. I like weird things. What to do? That's why weird hairstyle. And this is not weird. Okay, grow up, watch the world a little bit. You will find that this is a lot of... Girls actually do take up this hairstyle. Also, who said that girls' hair has to be long? I don't want to keep it long. I want to keep it however I want. Anyway, thank you, Pavan. Thank you so much. Yes, okay. Oh, thank you so much, Sai Teja. So, shall we start, guys? I think we should start, right? Yes? So, top 10 most important question. Now, before I start with the session, everybody, those of you who are new to the session, don't forget to subscribe to the channel because you know that this channel is the only official channel where all the exam information related to EAMCET, related to VIT, related to JEE, related to BITSAT, all of it is covered only in English. Yes, okay, only in English. Okay, and those of you who have been coming here from a very long time, you guys don't forget to like the video. Yeah, there's so much of effort only for you. Yes, so much of effort only for you. Any crash course for JEE Advanced? Yes, there will be, Rakesh. There will be. Below the video, I think there is a description link that you can go and check it out. Okay, you can go and check that out. So, shall we start, everybody? Yeah, chalo. Today's JEE Main solutions, I think you will get it in JEE Main. In the JEE Vedantu channel, we are not doing it because, because I think 2 sets are already done and... it's getting a little difficult for both Shreyas sir and I to handle just physics and chemistry. And that's why we are not doing it. However, we will definitely tell you some strategy and we will definitely tell you about the most expected questions that might come in your upcoming and following sessions. Okay, so we will do all the help that we can do. We will send you the PDF of all the solutions so that you can check it out on your own. Okay. All right. Yes. Okay. So let's go ahead, guys. Let's go ahead. This is my Instagram handle by any chance if you want to, be with me, if you want to stay in touch with me. Anyway, moving on, everybody. The first question on your screen. Okay. This is easy, but we will build up. We will build up the level. Don't worry about it. So tell me, choose the smallest ion from the following. Anybody knows the answer, guys? I am pretty sure that this is very easy question. You don't even have to think it. You can just, in a snap, you can tell me. Come on. Yes, I am waiting for it. I am waiting for it. Amit Parekh, why would you say that? Why do you think that it is option C? Now tell me, why is it option C? I really want to know why is it option C. Why you guys are saying option C? Sai Kiran, Leo, thank you so much. But why option C? What made you think that it is option C, guys? Hey, okay, Hiranmay, I'll do that. After this session, I'll do that. Ritvik, why? Oh my God. Okay, guys, the smallest ion from the following, let me tell you a trick, okay? Whenever these kind of questions are asked, what you need to do is, you have to understand that more is the positive charge. Okay, more is the positive charge. That means that many electrons have been taken away from the atom, right? Yes. For example, when they are saying Mg2 plus, okay, that means 2 electrons are less in the atom. If electrons are less, but protons are the same number, okay? There are as many protons as it was supposed to be, but there are less electrons. If there are less electrons, don't you think that the protons will be easily able to pull the electrons towards it? Yes, it will be easily able to pull the electrons towards it, right, my dear student? Right, everybody? Exactly. So that means that Mg2 plus will be the smallest ion and not the other ones. Okay? Got it? Is this clear? Understood, everybody? Easy peasy biryani is tasty. Also tell me la 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 in the chat box if you're happy. Then you say la la la. Yeah. If you're happy, that song is if you're happy, then you clap your hands. No, what do? If you're happy, then you say la 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 in the chat box. Okay? Alright? Yes, Ganapati, we will do that. Don't worry, okay? We will do that. I'll take a session tomorrow, okay? I'll take a session tomorrow. Yeah. Alright, so this is understood. Crystal clear, everyone? Yes, Meena, we will do that. Don't worry. At present, let's do EAMCET. But you never know, bacha. Whatever questions I'm doing here, no? See, VIT, EAMCET, JEE, all of these are engineering competitive exam, right? So the questions might be similar for VIT as well as EAMCET, okay? So stay calm, just watch the session. Who knows, some of the questions might get repeated in VIT as well, right? Okay? But yes, definitely, point noted, we will do VIT as well. Yes, Rohit, I just told you. Amit, wait, bacha. We will tell you something about JEE Advanced a little later. Let's get this session done, okay? Moving on, Mg2 plus, everybody has understood this. Moving on to the next question. Tell me, examples for bactericidal and bacteriostatic antibiotics respectively. Acha, tell me what is bactericidal? What is bactericidal? Bactericidal means something that kills, okay? This, what it does is, it kills the bacteria. Kills the bacteria, right? Right, everybody? Yes? And bacteriostatic, what this one does is, inhibits the growth of bacteria, right? Inhibits, as in the stops the growth of bacteria, alright? Inhibits the growth of bacteria. Am I right, everyone? Yes. So which one is the answer? Now tell me. Very good. Finally, yes. Now C is right. Now C is right. Very good. So what is it? Penicillin and chloramphenicol. Penicillin is that bactericidal which can kill the bacteria. Chloramphenicol, whereas chloramphenicol, it is a bacteriostatic. It only inhibits the growth of bacteria. Clear? Now all of these are fact-based or little memory-based questions. Yes, but as we move further, we will be doing some of the solving problem. Okay, we will be doing the solving problem. Yes, Kiran, point noted. We will do that. Okay. Chalo, moving on to the next question. Acha, which of the following is the most stable form for the given structure after rearrangement? As you can see, here we are talking about a carbocation. Yes. Now they are asking you that which one will be the most stable carbocation. Now, what is a carbocation? Basically, carbocation is a carbon which has a positive charge, right? That's very easy, right? Very simple. Carbocation, a carbon which has a positive charge. That's it, right? Now, we know that, what is this? This is a 1 degree carbocation, right? This is a 1 degree carbocation. Now, what is this? This is a 3 degree, that is tertiary. Yes, this is a 3rd degree. What is this? If you see, one this side, so this is a 2 degree carbocation. And now if you see this is also a 1 degree carbocation. Now we already know that the stability of the 3rd degree is always the most, isn't it? Highest stability is always obtained by a tertiary carbocation or 3rd degree carbocation. That means that our option B is correct. Am I right, everybody? That means option B is correct. Yes. Right, everybody? Right? Yes? Amazing. So is this clear, guys? Is this clear? Have you done? No, I haven't done biomolecules, but biomolecules is a very easy chapter. We'll do it just before your exam. I'll take one session and we will complete biomolecule, environmental chemistry and all of that, okay? Alright, so B is the correct one. Makes sense, everybody? Makes sense, nonsense? Tell me. Makes sense or nonsense? Tell me, guys. Yes. Make sense? Nonsense. Make sense? Nonsense. Everyone, what happened? Now I see less chat. Tell me. Clear? Makes sense. Amazing. Can you show how to join? Rakesh Bacha, you'll have to wait. Right now, let me complete the sentence. Let me complete the session. After that, I can show you all of this. Okay? Chalo. Moving on to the next question here. Which of the following chemical can be added for sweetening of food items at cooking temperature and does not provide calories? By the way, guess what? This is one question that has also come in this JEE main, like the 8th April session. The 8th April session had a question from this. So tell me which one is it? Yes, Ritik Arora, मुझे हिंदी बहुत अच्छे से आती है, लेकिन चैनल का नाम देखो, it is JEE English, so I am going to speak in English, okay? Yes. Yes, guys, tell me, what is it? Which of the following chemical can be added for sweetening of food items at cooking temperature and does not provide calories? The correct answer is sucralose, okay? Sucralose is very stable in cooking temperature, is very stable in high temperature, and you can add it in cooking and it has no calories at all, okay? All right? It has no calories at all, okay? All right? Chalo. Moving on. Yes, we have understood this also. Now tell me which of the following sets of species have similar bond order. You all know how to calculate bond order. Molecular orbital bond. Remember that? Yes. Molecular orbital theory. From that molecular orbital theory, do you remember that we used to calculate bond order? Everybody knows how to calculate bond order. How do you calculate it? Half, yes, in bracket, number of bonding minus number of anti-bonding. Do you remember? Exactly, yes. So let me tell you how to calculate it for N2. Nitrogen has how many electrons? 7 electrons. So for N2, can I say that it is going to be 7 plus 7, 14? 7 plus 7 is equal to 14, right? Now here is a trick, my dear student, okay? Here is a trick I'm going to tell you. Chalo. If it is less than or equal to 14 electrons, okay? If it is less than or equal to 14 electrons, yes? No, Ritik, I am teaching organic also, no, bacha? Huh? Who told you that I'm only teaching in organic chemistry? I am teaching organic, I am teaching physical since such a long time. Huh? You are not a part of this channel, kya? You are not a part of this channel, kya? Chalo, anyway. Okay, guys, moving on. Let me tell you a trick also. I'll tell you the trick. Chalo. So 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. Now, for molecular orbital theory, how do you do it? How do we do it? What do we do is, see, we write it as 1s, 1 star s, 2s, 2 star s, okay? After that, what you do is, you will have 1, 2, that is 2px, 2py. Then there will be 2pz, okay? Then it will be what? It will be again 2px, 2py and then 2pz. So basically, you will remember 2, 1, 2, 1. Was it 2, 1, 2, 1 or was it 1, 2, 1, 2? Yeah, that I have forgotten. Wait a second. That I have forgotten. Yes, it was 2, 1, 2, 1. 2, 1, 2, 1. If it is, what did I say? If it is less than or equal to 14 electrons, then you have to remember the number 2, 1, 2, 1. Okay? Let me do it here. I think this is easier. Okay? N2. N2 has what? 7 plus 7 is equal to 14 electrons. And I told you that if it is less than or equal to 14 electrons, then you have to remember 2, 1, 2, 1. How 2, 1, 2, 1? Let me show you. 1s, 1 star s, 2s, 2 star s, then 2px, 2py, 2pz. Pi star 2px, 2py and then 2pz. Okay, so here 2, 1, 2, 1. So now basically this is 1s, sigma 1s. This is your sigma star 1s. Yes, this is your sigma 2s. This is sigma star 2s. This is 2px, 2py. Yes, this is pi. This is pi. This is 2pz. Okay. And then again this is 2px is equal to 2py. This is again 2pz. Pi, these are star, anti-bonding. No, not this. Okay, not this. These are fine. Yes. Now if you start filling it, what will happen? Start filling it, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So find out how many number of anti-bonding 1, 2, 3, 4 and how many there are bonding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So half 10 minus 4 is equal to 3. Okay. Now if you calculate it for all of them, okay, if you calculate it for all of them, my dear student, I'm not going to waste too much time, okay, I'm not going to waste too much time by calculating it for all of them. I can guarantee that this will be the correct answer, okay, this will be the correct answer. These all of them will have the similar bond, but O2 2 minus will have what? O2 2 minus will have 18 electrons, yes, 18 electrons, not 14. NO plus will have how many electrons? Like that, if you calculate, you will find it for all of them. Yes, makes sense everybody? Makes sense? Acha, now I told you that I'll tell you a trick. So for less than or equal to 14 electrons, this is the trick that you have to remember. If it is more than 14 electrons, if it is more than 14 electrons, then you have to remember 1, 2, 2, 1. This part, okay, just this part changes. This part changes to 2pz, 2x, 2px, 2py, then again 2x, 2py, and then it becomes 2pz. Understood? Understood everybody? Yes? Yes, bacha. 14 electron bond order is 3.0. That's what I calculated, no? That's exactly what I calculated, isn't it? Manikanta, absolutely. There is a shortcut. There is a shortcut, no doubt. But I always want to explain things in a detailed way so that all my students can understand, okay? All right? Yes? Got it? Got it? Clear? Clear? Is this clear? All right, chalo. Moving on from here. Now, the cyclobutanone of semicarbazone is represented as. Cyclobutanone of semicarbazone is represented. Acha. Okay. All right. Let's find out. Cyclobutanone will be something like this. Yes. It will be something like this. And they are saying that semicarbazone. Okay. So that means it will be around NH2, C double bond O, NH, NH2. Right? Yes, exactly. So basically in this case what will happen is this H, just this, okay, just this part will come out. Alright, I'm not very good at drawing but understanding. Yes, so this H2O will come out, okay. Once the H2O comes out, what will be your actual structure? Your actual structure will look like this. Yes, it will look like this. See, N, yes. Then C double bond O, then NH, and then NH2. So this corresponds to which structure, guys? This corresponds to option B. See, here there is only one single bond, but here there are double bond. Here there are double bond, right? So that means that option B is our correct answer. Make sense, everyone? Make sense, guys? Yes, correct, clear? Everybody, is this fine? Thank you, Ritik. Neeraja, we are not doing JEE Advanced right now. Okay, we are not doing JEE Mains today. Today this is EAMCET. Please check the description box, no bacha. Please check the title of this thing. We are not doing it, Alexander. We are not doing it. Yes? Yes, sure. We will do EAMCET classes. Yes, we will do EAMCET classes. Don't worry about it. Okay? So, Hasini, paper discussion, you can also find it in Vedantu JEE. In Vedantu JEE, they are doing the paper discussion. You can check it out there. Shrey sir and me, we can send you the PDF. Definitely, we will try to do that. Okay? Alright, chalo. Moving on to the next question, guys. This you have understood, everybody? This have you understood? How to do this? Yes? Yes, bacha. Why are you sitting on my head, guys? We are going to do everything. But one thing at a time, yeah? Yes, once again, like I told you, I am not Durga Mata. I don't have 10 hands. Neither do I have 10 heads like Ravan. Yeah, so I only have one head and 2 hands. Okay, so one thing at a time. Today we are doing EAMCET sessions. Okay, In the upcoming days, we will be doing JEE Advanced, we will be doing BITSAT, we will be doing VITE, but for now, please be at the present and focus here, okay? Yeah? Moving on to the next question. Now, decreasing order of acidity of the following terminal acetylins is... Tell me. This I am sure that you must know, right? Yes? A very important organic question that keeps coming up, isn't it? Tell me. You know, if you just look at this, you will understand what the answer is. Come on guys, tell me. Till then, I am going to drink some water. C. No. Think again. Think again. No. Neeraja, very good. Neeraja, I think you are, yes. Here what will happen? Minus R effect. Minus R effect is the highest here, isn't it? Yes, minus R effect is the highest here. And here also you can see that plus I effect is high. Plus I effect is happening here, isn't it? Yes. So that means that here there is nothing. There is nothing that can, there is nothing. No other group is attached to it. So what will happen? The H plus can be released. H plus can be released, but here because of the minus R effect, easily H plus can be released. So that means then 1, 2, 4 and then 3, right? 1, 2, 4 and then 3, isn't it? So that means option B is the correct answer. Makes sense, nonsense, everyone? Makes sense, nonsense? Yes? Yes, everyone. Clear? Yes? Yes, Nani, very good. No, Jayesh, not at all. Yeah, I'm not god of chemistry and all. Not at all. I am teaching after a long time, and right now I'm not the god of chemistry. I wouldn't call myself that, so please. Anyway, is this clear, everyone? This is absolutely clear. We understood this. No doubts, right? No doubts here. Purvi, you understood? Yes. Manikanta, but I do not know Telugu, no? I do not know Telugu. Chalo. Moving on then. Next question. Which of the following substances will hydrogen bonds be the strongest? So we all know that, right? Yes, we all know. This is a very basic question, everybody. Just by looking at the question, we can answer that it has to be H2O, right? O is quite electronegative. Just after fluorine, it is oxygen, right? Just after fluorine, it is oxygen, which is also quite electronegative. And because of the smaller size of oxygen and hydrogen, the bond will be very strong. So H2O is the correct answer. Oh, weirdly, all the answers are option B, isn't it? I have to tell our DTP to, shuffle the answers. I definitely have to tell the DTP to shuffle the answer. No worries. Chalo, moving on. Acha, the geometry with respect to the central atoms of the molecules NSiH33, Me3N, SiH33P. Okay, let's find it out. So here they are saying that N has 5 electrons, right? So there will be 1, 2 here, SiH3, right? Now, in this case, we can say that the steric number is what? 4. But that's not happening here. That's not happening. Here, understand this, that here back bonding will happen. Okay, what will happen? Back bonding will happen. Okay. And because of back bonding, there will be a partial double bond character that will be available, that you will be able to see. Yes. And when this happens, then what will happen? Then what will happen, my dear student? It will be sp2 hybridization. Yes, sp2 hybridization. Am I right? Which means that this will be planar. This will be planar. So that means that these two options are any which ways wrong, because pyramidal, first answer, our first option has to have, first answer has to have option A, planar, right? So either this option A or either the second one, planar, pyramidal, it can be. Now if we check it out for Me3N, okay, for Me3N, same here, N, okay, Me, and Me. Now in this case, do you think that again back bonding will happen? No, not possible. Not possible, okay? Not possible. This will not happen. So here what will be happening is this will be of the shape pyramidal. This will be of the shape pyramidal. And if I consider SiH3 3p, okay, for this, let me draw it here, SiH3, SiH3, and same here also. Yes. Here also there will not be any back bonding. So that means this is also pyramidal, which means that once again option B is the correct answer. Ayyo. How to say it will be in back bonding, bacha? Okay. See, whenever there is back bonding, you have to understand that one of the atoms will be able to donate electron and one of the atoms will be able to accept electron. That means nitrogen. Nitrogen belongs to which period? Tell me. Nitrogen belongs to which period? Second period, right? And if you look at Si belongs to which period? Now tell me, Si belongs to which period? Tell me. I need you to answer. Yes. Anybody who can tell me Si belongs to which period? Nitrogen belongs to second period. Very good. Si belongs to third period. Now nitrogen has extra electrons that it can give and Si has vacant orbitals in which it can fill, right? So here back bonding will happen. Here back bonding will happen. Now if you look at nitrogen and there, this is what? Me group. That means there is carbon. So nitrogen and carbon, both of them belong to the second period. There are no vacant orbitals. There are no vacant orbitals to fill. So no back bonding. Look at this. P and Si both belong to the third period. Do you think that they have any extra vacant orbitals or they have extra electrons are there? But they do not have vacant places to fill those extra electrons. So no back bonding. Now Suresh, did you understand? Yes? Now Suresh, did you understand how back bonding will happen and when back bonding will happen? Only in this case back bonding will happen. In nowhere else the back bonding will happen. Everybody else, is this understood? Everybody else, is this understood? Clear? Why back bonding will happen and when it will not happen, guys? Am I right? Am I right? Make sense, nonsense? Yes? Very good. Okay. All right. Clear. Everyone is clear with it. Amazing. Okay. So moving on then, a gaseous mixture of three gases A, B, C has pressure 10 atm. The total number of moles are 10. If partial pressure of gases A and B are 3 atm and 1 atm respectively, and if molar mass of gas C is 2, calculate the weight of C in the mixture. This will take a lot of calculation. Okay. Let's see. So they are saying that total pressure is equal to 10. Number of moles they have given. Number of moles is also equal to 10, right? Now we know according to Dalton's law, what did Dalton say, guys? What did Dalton say? That we can easily find out the PA is if we have the mole fraction XA into P total, right? Which is nothing but PA. PA is given, right? See, partial pressure of A is what? 3. So 3 is equal to divided by, mole number of moles we want to find. So 3 by 10, right? 3 by 10. Yes, you saw the answer. I know that. But I was only checking if there is space or not. Now let me tell you how to figure it out. Hannah, let me tell you how to figure it out. Guys, did you understand this? Did you understand this or not? Everybody saw the answer and now they're telling me that this is the one. Hey ma'am, I understood, Nirja. I understood. I got it. I saw. I saw. Acha, chalo, let's do it faster. Okay? Yes, let's do it faster. Chalo. So this is our mole fraction. We have figured it out. Mole fraction of A. Gas A is 3 by 10. Very similarly, for mole fraction of gas B, we can calculate it to be 1 by 10. Right? 1 by 10. And we know that mole fraction is supposed to be what? 1. Yes, for all of them. So that means that this will be equal to, 1 second, here no bracket, Bracket has to start a little later. So 1 minus 3 by 10 plus 1 by 10, which is nothing but what it will be? 6 by 10. Am I right? Yes, 6 by 10. That means that the number of moles is basically 6. Yes, and it is already given that molar mass of gas C is equal to 2, which is nothing but 6 into 2 is equal to 12. Okay, 6 into 2 is equal to 12. So 12 gram is the correct answer. Oh, finally, yeah. No problem, Suresh. Absolutely fine. It's okay. I'm just glad that I could clear your doubt. Yes? Yes. Okay. Is this clear? Yes? You call Sai Chandra. Sai Chandra who? Who is Sai Chandra? You. Your name is Sai Chandra. I can't understand what are you saying. Anyway, this is clear, I hope. Yeah? How to calculate it? 12 gram. Yes. Okay. Chalo. Moving on. Choose the incorrect statement among the following. The reactivity of aromatic aldehyde and ketone is less than that of aliphatic carbonyl compounds towards nucleophilic addition reaction. Yeah, it is less. Aromatic aldehydes and ketones will be less because of the resonance. They will be more stable, so they will not be so much reactive, right? Whereas aliphatic ones, they will be more reactive. Acha, I'll call you Sai Chandra. Sure, bacha. Okay. Right? Then benzaldehyde does not give Fehling solution. This is correct. It does. Right? The H atoms in ethanol are acidic in nature. Oh yes, they are. They are acidic in nature. Right? We know that also. Yes. Apart from that, p-nitrobenzaldehyde is less reactive than benzaldehyde towards nucleophilic addition. That is the incorrect one. This is the incorrect one. Why? Because nitrobenzaldehyde is less reactive. No, nitrobenzaldehyde is more reactive than benzaldehyde towards nucleophilic addition reaction. That means option D is the incorrect statement. Option D is the incorrect statement. Okay. All right. How to remember all the formula? Bacha, practice. Okay. It requires a lot of practice. A lot of practice. One day if you just ask me, ma'am, how to remember all the formula, and then tomorrow if you don't do it, it's basically like, you know, what I do. I go to the gym, right? I work out. So what I do is every time I go, I ask my trainer, sir, how do I get abs? Then he tells me that you do this, you will get abs. Then do I do it? No, I don't do it. Again, after 2 weeks, I'll go and ask, sir, how do I get abs? I keep doing this, but that way I will never get abs. Exactly the same way, you ask me how to remember all the formula, the only thing that I can tell you is practice. Write it all in front of you and practice. If you don't practice, you will come back to me and you will come back and ask me again the same question, ma'am, how do I remember all the formula? Answer is practice. Nothing else. Practice every day. Okay? Chalo. Moving on, the solubility product of NiOH2 at 298 Kelvin is 2 into 10 to the power minus 15 mole cube dm to the power minus 9. The pH value of its aqueous and saturated solution is, okay, NiOH2, right? Right? Which means that this is going to be Ni plus 2 OH minus, right? Yes, KSP value is already given to us, right? So this means that this is going to be our S and this is going to be 2S, right? So now we know that KSP is equal to what? KSP value is already given to us, but this means that this is going to be S and then 2S to the power 2, which means that this is going to be 4S cube. And KSP value is given to us, so it will be 2 into 10 to the power minus 15, right? So that means that S cube is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 15 divided by 4. If I calculate it, I will get S to be 5 into 10 to the power minus 6. How do you calculate? Here gone, 2 gone, 1 by 2. This will be 0.5. 0.5 if I change it to minus 16, it will be 5 into 10 to the power minus 16, and then here there is S cube, so S will be 5 into 10 to the power minus 6. Figure it out, okay? That you know, alright? That you know. So 5 into 10 to the power minus 6. Now for OH concentration, we know that it is already 2S. Yes, it is already 2S. So P of OH, if you calculate, what will you get, my dear student? 2 into 5 into 10 to the power minus 6, it will be equal to, tell me. And then if you calculate that, after that what you have to do is, pH will be equal to what? It will be equal to, you just have to subtract this value, and that all together will come up to option C, 9, okay? That much will you be able to calculate, guys? Will you be able to calculate? Yes. Will you be able to calculate? 2 into 5, this will be equal to 10 to the power minus 5, isn't it? Yes, POH will be equal to 10 to the power minus 5. Not POH, this will be concentration of OH. Wait a second. This will be concentration of OH. है ना? This is the concentration of OH. After that you have to find POH, and then what you have to do is take log and then subtract it. The answer will be 9. Okay, the answer will be 9. Chalo. Moving on to the next question, assertion. Boron has smaller first ionization enthalpy than beryllium. The penetration of a 2s electron to the nucleus is more than the 2p electron. Hence 2p electron is more shielded by the inner core of the electrons than the 2s electrons. Yeah, makes sense. Assertion and reason both are correct statement, and the reason is the correct explanation for the assertion. Yes. See, the penetration of a 2s electron to the nucleus is more than the 2p electron. Obviously, 2s electron is very close to the nucleus, right? The 2s electrons are very close to the nucleus, so the penetration will be more. But 2p electron is shielded by 1s, 2s, right? 2s is only shielded by 1s. 2p electrons come after 1s, 2s, then 2p. So obviously it is more shielded. The second reason makes sense, right? And boron has smaller first ionization enthalpy than beryllium. Yes, it does. It does, because in boron the last electron enters 2p. Yes, and because 2p is more shielded, you can easily take away the electron, okay? And what is ionization enthalpy? You all know that the energy given to the atom to take away that one electron, that is your ionization energy, right? Makes sense, everybody? Got it? Clear? Is this clear? Yes, amazing. Among the following oxide, which one is weakly basic and yet a powerful oxidant? Okay, this is also there. If you have just even if you have just read through or gone through your NCERT book, or if you have just gone through the P block elements, you will find out that the correct answer is PbO2. All right. And I think we are almost there at the last question. This is the last question. 1 mole of oxygen gas at STP is equal to... Oh, come on. Is that even a question? The correct answer is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of oxygen, right? There was no doubt about it. This we did not even have to calculate. We all know the answer. So that's it. I think that's it for today. I hope that you all could understand the most important 10 questions. These are the kind of questions that actually come in EAMCET EAMCET exam. We will be doing more of these sessions in this week and in the next week and in the upcoming weeks. Till your exams get over, these sessions will happen. So please call your friends. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And do share it with more of your friends, those who are sitting for EAMCET exam. Okay? Alright? Yes, so with this note, tata bye-bye. I'll see you very soon and all the very best. Bye.